You see the one going away? Look, how bright, look. Y'all pay attention. Look at it. Filming the same one come from the other direction. Is there one going right by it too?
No, I think it looks... Oh, wait, Jerry.
There's another one coming at us, guys. Saturday, November 27th. There's 8 or 9 of us here. Started moving with it. I have a very faint one right behind it. Going. Yeah, there's one behind it tracking it. Very.
Again, the whole mission was littered with UFO activity. Okay? We'll try to put a filter on it here. I mean, look at that, guys. And again, you know, let's say something, you know, happened to break away from the shuttle. Okay, let's try to come up with a logical explanation here. It wouldn't go up north and then shoot off to the west at 500 miles an hour. Okay? And in the arrow there, I'm pointing at another UFO. And right there, you can see the actual flight path. Okay, the full flight path traced right there. And also, of course, NASA, you know, they pan away, and that's where you see that little glitch. That's NASA, you know, like always, you know, trying to hide what they don't want you to see. Now, look at that, guys. That is an incredible close-up. That actually took me a long time to create. Okay. And right there, I wanted to show you the little bit of a distortion coming from the craft. Could be exhaust, I don't know. But we'll have another look, and then we'll get to another case here. But there's the Wake satellite up there that they're retrieving. Hands over, boom, it takes off. And right there is where here we'll get another close-up shot. It'll come into frame, NASA pans over, boom, it takes off. And right there is where they cut the feed. Okay, we'll put a filter on it, give you a very good look, and we're gone. Look at that, guys. Wow. And I just have to remind everyone watching, okay, there shouldn't be anything in space. Now, this object here, I don't know what to make of it. It is not the Wake satellite. Okay, you see a UFO come into frame right there. You're going to see another UFO, and we're going to put a flight tracker on this too to prove to you that it is in fact under intelligent control. Okay? I mean, look at that, guys. Here's what NASA has been hiding. And by the way, the video you're watching now was from 1996, and I want to point out... Okay, so